Hello children, welcome to your EVS class. Today we are going to read about individual game and team game. In previous class we have already discussed about outdoor games and indoor games. Today we are going to discuss about individual game and team game. Individual game and team game. Indoor and outdoor games can be played by a single player or by many players together. When the game played by single player, that is called individual game, and when the game played by many players together, that is called team game. Okay. In an individual game, only one person or one player, only one player in an individual game, only one player needed to play the game. Okay. The example of individual games are swimming, running, and archery. These are the examples of individual games. In this game, only one player is needed to play the game. Okay. Let us discuss now team game. In a team game, many players are needed to play the games. Many players are needed to play the games, or many players play the games together in a team game. In a team game, many players are needed to play the games, whereas in individual game, only one player or single player needed to play the games. The examples are football, cricket, basketball and volleyball are examples of a team game. Football, cricket, basketball and volleyballs are the examples of team game. Playing team game is playing team game is very important because it teaches us occupation and teamwork. It teaches us occupation and teamwork. From team game teach us occupation and teamwork. Occupation and teamwork. Occupation and teamwork. So there is a coach in many schools to teach the student the team game. Okay. Some schools have sports coaches who train the student in team game. It is very important. So in schools there is a sports coaches who train the students in team game, about team game or in team game. Okay. Let us discuss now games in past. Games in past means when our grandparents were children. In that time our grandparents spend most of their leisure time playing outdoor games with friends, cousins and other family members. They spend their leisure times how they spend their leisure times? They spend their leisure times playing outdoor games with their friends, cousins and other family members. And the examples of the games that were played in that times are gilli danda, 7 tiles, hide and seek, kabaddi, langdi tang, and kancha. Okay, these are the examples of games that played in that times or games in past. These are the games played in the past. Gilli danda, 7 tiles, hide and seek, kabaddi, langri tang and kancha. These were the simple games. These are very simple games where we don't need any expensive toys. Okay. These are the simple games in which we did not need any expensive toys. These are simple games. These are simple games that did not need any expensive toys, or device. And involve teamwork and cooperation, and involved team work and cooperation. In that time they played the games like gilli danda, hide and seek, kancha, skipping rope, all these games. The games they play in that times are very simple games that did not need any expensive toys or device, and involved teamwork and cooperation, and that game teach them teamwork and cooperation also. But nowadays our children play with the expensive devices or expensive toys, remote car or computer. Okay, but in that time they don't need any expensive toys or device to play games. Okay. Let us discuss now when game become what. Game become what means when game become occupation of a person. A game in which players are trained and is played for a competition is called a sports. When a game played by a player with proper training and in a competition is called sports. Okay. Person. What is sports person? A person who plays a sports is called sports person. A person who plays a sports is called a sports person. A person whose occupation is to play a sports for money is called a professional player. When the person played the sports for money is called a professional player. Okay. The example of sports that played for money are the examples of sports played for money are cricket, hockey, football, boxing, wrestling, then weightlifting, and snooker, chess, archery, polo, and billiards. These are the games that play for money. The example of games played for example of sports. These are the sports played for money. The example of sports that played for money are cricket, hockey, football, boxing, wrestling, weightlifting, snooker, chess, archery, polo, and billiards. Playing games play an important role in our life. Games play is an important role in maintaining a healthy mind. Playing game help us to maintain healthy mind, body, and soul. And second one is playing game is an essential part of growing up and being with friends. Playing games play an essential role or part in growing up and also help us to being with our friends. Okay. Then games play not only develop physical fitness but also it teaches many things like obedience, discipline, patience, presence of mind, and accepting defeat in right way. We teach all these things from games. Okay. So this is all about the chapter, the game we play. In next class we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. So till then, take care. Bye bye.